Hey guys, today is Sunday, February 14th. It's 10:19 a.m. and the temperature outside is a freezing cold, minus 10 degrees Celsius. It actually feels like minus 16, but I actually don't feel cold at all. So I'm here in my neighborhood at the intersection of Eglinton Avenue West and Marlee Avenue here in the borough of York. And on that side is the old city of Toronto, although the border goes to different places. This here is the 32 Eglinton West bus that's going to Eglinton Station, which is at Yonge and Eglinton. And up ahead is Eglinton West subway station, soon to be renamed Cedarville when Line 5 opens. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And I know it's been a week since I've done a video because of this cold snap. Wow, it's been very cold lately, but I've been out for like 10 minutes and I don't feel cold at all. So, also, it snowed last night. It was snowing heavily from the late afternoon to like evening. So I thought I would do a post-snowstorm walk on this very beautiful and quiet Sunday morning. We haven't been getting a lot of clear days lately here in Toronto. But hey, Sunday morning is it's probably a good time to record a video like this, even when it's very beautiful and nice outside. So like I said, I don't feel cold now. I'm walking east along Eglinton. So for this walk, I'll be walking along Eglinton until at least Chaplin. I was going to go all the way to Yonge Street, but I don't intend to do that in today's video. There's a look west. So up ahead is Little Jamaica and the Fairbank neighborhood. And see that sign up there. It says 8 minutes to Black Creek Drive. That is west of my other neighborhood. Heck, I think it would take like 5 minutes just to get to Silverthorne from here. So this is considered Midtown Toronto. And this here used to be the temporary bus platforms. Eglinton West Station's bus terminal was closed for several months to accommodate construction work for Line 5, aka the Eglinton Crosstown line. That's what it was called during the 2010s, but just like the other subway lines, it's going to be numbered as Line 5. I told you guys this already. If you've been following my videos, and this will become an interchange station next year. Right here at forgot the name of the street here. There's gonna be an entrance to the station. There's 13th Division, a Toronto police station. So just on the north side of Eglinton Avenue is the Forest Hill neighborhood. But where I'm walking right now is the Cedarville neighborhood in York. Both neighborhoods are very affluent. And this here is the start of the William R. Allen Expressway. And this intersection here has been total chaos for quite some time now, obviously due to the LRT line construction. You know, it's been 4 minutes since I've been recording. I haven't even walked too far yet. There's a look at Eglinton West Station, soon to be renamed Cedarville. And now we gotta go for this stupid detour through Ben Nobleton Park. So obviously the station will change when the LRT line opens. A big impact to communities and neighborhoods along Eglinton. Let's look at the station box for a southern entrance to the station. Last month I did a walk along Eglinton from here to Yonge Street. And in the future, I'm going to be doing another walk along Eglinton from my other neighborhood at Keele Street to here. So that means I'll be walking through part of Silverthorne, Fairbank, and Little Jamaica. Oh, I kind of partially did that walk a couple of months ago up to like Dufferin Street. So this is Everton Road. Up ahead is Cedarville Park. The Line 1 subway line runs underneath here, and will run underneath the entirety of the park until it gets to St. Clair West Station, which is the next station to the south of here. I'll come and do a walk down the park at some point. I'm only wearing a winter jacket and a sweater. And at Baffert Street, I gotta take another detour. I don't feel cold as yet. I guess because the sun is shining and it's still morning time. There's a cluster of apartment buildings, which is by Marlee Avenue, just halfway between Eglinton West and Glencairn stations. I think you guys are probably guessing I may live in one of these buildings if you've been following my channel for quite a while. Even on a day like this, it looks very beautiful with the snow on the ground. I've even got up to like 10 centimeters of snow yesterday. And during my break of not recording any videos, it was announced that much of the province will be reopening on Tuesday. By the way, it's a long weekend here in Canada. Tomorrow is Family Day. So last week, 3 regions in Eastern Ontario moved to the green zone. On Tuesday, in-person classes will resume in hotspots. So 27 public health units in Ontario will move back to the framework, or color-coded framework. But for us, the people here at State of Toronto, will remain under the stay-at-home order until February 22nd. So the regions that are staying under the stay-at-home order is the City of Toronto, Region of Peel, York, and oddly enough, North Bay and Parry Sound. I don't know why, but they're way up north in Ontario. And the only region that's moving back to the half-assed lockdown is the Niagara region. But regions like Halton, Durham, and Hamilton, at least around the GTA, are moving back to the red zone. So wherever you are in the province, I hope you're staying safe. Don't forget, we've been under a province-wide lockdown since Boxing Day last year. And we've been under a stay-at-home order for exactly a month now. And we're gradually reopening by region. It's because the cases have been declining lately, but Canada has been playing chicken when it's coming to gradually reopening and being aware of these contagious freaking variants that have spread to all 10 provinces in the country. So it's a good chance that we may be back in a third lockdown. It's inevitable by probably later this month or early next month. So once again, some challenging times ahead, but I think at this point we should probably start reopening up at least half the businesses. Keep Toronto closed, fine, but do what Doug Fir wants to do. The regions up north are not too bad. Their positivity rate is low. But the regions in some parts of Southern Ontario, especially us, have been pretty bad because, we're the largest city in Canada. It should be 10:30 by now. I don't know. Hopefully the cases continue to decline, but most likely we'll be in the third wave here in Ontario. I talked a lot about this neighborhood, as well as which businesses I used to frequent. This here is Glen Cedar Road. I did a walk along this street last month. There's Forrestal up the road. And it smells like shit here for some strange reason. All right, it's gone. I don't know why, but so yeah, we're starting to reopen up the province gradually, but it probably won't last long. So, City of Toronto is still under the stay-at-home order, but I am just going to continue doing my thing whenever I feel like it, or whenever I have time. Sorry, I'm just taking on my left-hand glove because I don't feel cold. I'm wearing my right glove right now. Maybe I could take that off too. Or I don't know. So I don't know where this walk will take us. Most likely I'll end this at Chaplin Crescent. If I feel like it, maybe go on to Avenue Road, but I'm not going to Yonge Street in this video. Tokyo Sushi. There's a bagel place here, right next to the East Indian place I used to eat at before this pandemic. Swiss Chalet is right here. I was gonna have Swiss Chalet on Friday night, but I had a Domino's instead. There's a Domino's by me on Marlee Avenue. And I got I think a medium pizza. I haven't had Domino's in like 2 months, so I was gonna have it again. And last night, well, I had leftovers while I was watching the Leafs play host to the Montreal Canadiens, and I was mad disappointed when they squandered that 1-goal lead in the third period, and Montreal won the game 2-1. So I was not happy at all. In fact, I actually knew after the Leafs scored first to open up the game, I knew they would squander that lead. They're not good at keeping the leads lately, although they are doing very well. They're first in the All-Canadian division, so certainly they're gonna make the playoffs as long as they keep their lead in the division. But Montreal is second in the division, and they're kind of still battling with us, but we good. Hopefully the Leafs can smash our provincial rivals tomorrow night. Actually, the next 3 games here at home. The Ottawa Senators are such a very bad team. No offense to you guys living in Ottawa. And it looks like they're doing pretty well with this future entrance to the Forrestal station. That's at the lights are up there, Bathurst and Eglinton. You can actually see part of the towers at Yonge and Eglinton. And now I have to take this detour yet again. So this is the northern entrance to Forest Hill Station. And I think this may be another entrance too. I don't know. I'm sorry for the dragging because the sidewalks have been salted a lot. There's a heck of a lot of salt here on the sidewalk, so I apologize for the crackling noises. I don't know what street this is. In fact, I didn't even look. So far I am warm. I could have walked to Yonge Street from here. See, that's not really too far. We're gonna try to come for this laneway here. And here we are on Baffert Street. I did a couple of walks along here. Well, not this part though, because it's relatively boring until you get past Cedarville Park, and you'll be in the St. Mike's area. Not the neighborhood name, but it's the area around the school. I can make this late. They haven't even started to build the entrance here yet. Oh, look at this, guys. We have a hybrid bus. The 935 Jane Express. What are you doing here? This guy's based off from the Aero Division in the northwest end of the city. What is this guy doing here? Heck, I haven't been on a hybrid bus in over a year. Well, this one specifically. Well, these buses aren't so bad, but I still don't like the Nova buses though, but that's a cool catch. I'm guessing he's going to Jane Street, but man, that's a rare sighting. Wow. A Nova Bus hybrid LFS on the wrong road. In fact, I think the subway is closed on the other side of line 1. I'm not too sure. I'm not sure, but that's a weird sighting to see the bus along Eglinton. The hybrid bus too, based out of the Aero Division. So now we're in the Forest Hill neighborhood, where Drake grew up. Whoa, it's quiet. It's quiet here, guys. On a Sunday morning. I like when days are quiet like this. Even on a Sunday morning, where normally I don't really do videos on Sundays. But why the heck not? I think that lady gave me a look there. This is Old Forest Hill Road on the right. Some very nice homes to the south of here. There's also a small business improvement area on Spadina Road called Forest Hill Village. I could actually take a walk down there in the future. Yonge and Eglinton is the heart of Midtown Toronto. You can kind of see the Midtown skyline. The city of Toronto has basically its own types of skylines, mainly because like the former cities of North York, Scarborough, Etobicoke, and they used to have their own cities. Now it seems like they're developing their own downtown cores. Even outside city limits like Markham, Vaughan, Mississauga, Brampton. There's a 33 Forest Hill bus. Never been in that route before, but haven't seen a bus run along the 33 in a while. It says on the destination sign it's going to St. Clair West Station. Somehow it loops around here. And there is Drake's old school, Forest Hill Collegiate. And there is the public library. And I want to find a way to get to the Beltline Trail. I'm not going to do a video. I may stop around there. Then I'll walk home. It's a kind of short video, but almost as long as my... That's because I'm wearing boots and I'm walking pretty damn slow. I think that the lights before the trail is Spadina Road. It runs through Forest Hill and then south of St. Clair. It breaks up for just a brief period because of the Castle Loma. It's interrupted by it. And then it resumes just south of the castle at Davenport Road. And then it becomes Spadina Avenue at Bloor Street West. Speaking of Spadina, it runs through Chinatown, so happy Lunar New Year to those that celebrate. It was on Friday. I couldn't have gone down to Chinatown by car, not the subway or streetcar, and do a video down there. And there is Spadina Road. It goes all the way down to Lake Ontario. And at the next lights up ahead is Chaplin Crescent. So you'll find more homes. Oh, now I gotta cross here. Unless I could jaywalk. I could try doing that. Not really the best thing to do. Actually, I could cross right there. What the That light took a long time to change. I was walking ahead of the signal. Don't be going around in the comments saying I jaywalked. Or else that wouldn't be good. And there is the Beltline Trail. That's an unmarked path leading down there. I could probably head down there, or if not, I'll just have to go through Chaplin Crescent instead. So I'm kind of halfway through my actual walk if I'm going to Yonge Street, but I'm going to end the video around here. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's this post snowstorm along Eglinton Avenue West. yet again in my neighborhood. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to be doing more videos soon, even while I'm still in school in this cold snap. And here is Chaplin Crescent. And tell your mom or your friend or your girlfriend or any other family member happy Valentine's Day. Or if you live with them, give them a hug and tell them that you love them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm almost at 100. Man, you guys have really wanted to watch my videos so bad. Alright guys, have a good Sunday and peace out.